Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's see what we'll be expecting on our gold for the next day. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. You'll find a link in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting on our gold. But before that, let's try to know our trend on gold. As you can see on our daily time frame, our full trend is actually on an uptrend move. Market is literally pushing up heavily. The market eventually started ranging within this level, which we will have to roll down to the forward time frame to see. You can see that there was certain time the market literally range within this level, whereby here was the resistance and there was the support level. So once market comes to tap this support level, we tend to see it go bullish to tap our resistance, and once it comes back to the support, it will go back to the resistance, vice versa. But currently, market is literally ranging to the up, trending to the upside. You can see it. The forward time frame is indicating a bullish, meaning it has broken above the resistance and it will continue the movement to the upside. So basically, we should continue. Like you always say, trade what you see and not what you think. So trade with the trend. That is exactly what we will be doing right here. So now let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So you can see the 1 hour time frame is literally trending upward. You can see something like this. Our higher high here. Then this is the higher low, the pullback. Higher high here. And this is the pullback. Higher low. Higher high here. And here is the pullback. This is the higher high. So the pullback is currently still playing out. Once the pullback plays out finish, we're expecting a new higher high to the upside. So basically, we should continue with what gold is doing, which is trending up. So personally, you should hop into take the buy once you get the buy set up, because I don't think the pullback is over yet. It looks like it's still playing. We will confirm if the pullback is over in London section. So during London section, once we can see that the pullback is over and it gives us the buy setup to hop in, then we are definitely going to hop in on the buy. So basically, above all, our bias is still to the upside. So stay updated by following the Telegram. You will find a link in the comment section.